Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video, we will see how to draw a straight line inclined to both the planes, that is, straight projection of straight line inclined to both HP and VP. For this, I have drawn these two planes. This is VP and this is HP. Now, draw a line which is inclined to both HP and VP. So, I will draw the line. Suppose this is the line AB, which is inclined to both HP and VP. So for front view, we will see from here. So this is the direction for front view. And for top view, we will see from top. So this is the direction for top view. First, I will draw front view. So when you see from this direction for front view, which is the line which is inclined to both HP and VP, so front view will be like this. Having inclination angle take projections from points A and B and draw a line. So this is the inclination angle, that is line inclined to both HP and VP. So this is angle alpha and this is the line A dash and B dash, which is a front view. So line A dash B dash is a front view. Having inclination angle alpha. Now we will draw top view. So for this line, top view, take projections from points A and B now here also inclination angle I will extend this line. Now draw a line for top view having inclination angle. This is the inclination angle, which is beta, and these points are point A and point B, which is a top view. This is the intersection line of HP and VP and give its name as line XY. So this is about the front view and top view, which is both front view and top view of line AB, which is inclined to both HP and VP. Now we will draw its 2D presentation. This shows 3D presentation. Now draw 2D presentation. For this, I will draw XY line Now this is the distance above HP and this shows distance in front of VP. Now draw lines from these 2 points. Now I will draw line which is inclined to VP. So this shows VP and this shows HP and this shows angle alpha, and this line AB dash shows front view. Likewise show top view having angle beta. So this is angle beta and this is top view and point A and B. And this line is a XY line which is a intersection line. Now we will take one example having line both inclined to HP. So take one example, a line AB 70 mm long, line AB 70 mm long has its end point 15 mm above HP, 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. 20 mm in front of VP. Line inclined at 30 degree to HP. Line inclined at 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. Draw the projections. Draw projections. Now concentrate here how to draw projection of lines which is inclined to both HP and VP. So for this, first draw XY line. So first draw XY line. So this is XY line. Then what distance is given? 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So measure 15 above and 20 below. So 15 and 20. Now draw lines parallel to XY from these 2 points. Now next procedure is take the angles which are given, that is 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. So measure angle 30 degree to HP, 30 degree and 45 degree to VP. This is 45. Mark this as point A dash and this as point A. Now I have measured angles. Then I will draw a line like this. Now measure true length, which is given as 70 mm. See here. So measure 70 mm in rounder. And draw the arc on the inclined line. From point A also give name to these points as point B dash and this as point A dash. Sorry, this is point B. Okay, so this is point B and this is point B dash. Now draw horizontal lines from these 2 points. Next procedure is, first of all you can write here true length is equals to 70. Here also true length is equals to 70. Then draw vertical line from point B dash up to this A line, which is drawn from point A. Now take A as center and this is the radius. Draw a arc like this. So here we got point, new point, and give its name as B, as it is actual top view. Actual top view. So this is top view. So top view we can show by points AB. So give here point B1. You can write here point B1 or point B2. Okay, so this is point B2 and suppose this is point B1 dash. Then next procedure same we have followed for point B1 dash, follow same for point B2. So draw line, vertical line from point B2 up to the line which is drawn from A dash, and same take radius A dash up to this and draw a arc. So here give name to this point as point B dash, as it is actual front view. So this is front view. This is angle 30 degree, that is theta equals to 30 degree. This is angle 45 degree. So phi is equals to 45 degree. Now it can be observed that points B dash and B lies on same line, that is vertical line. Like this. So this is the complete front view and top view for a line which is inclined to both HP and VP. Now give distance. You can show here also on this side. So this is 15 and this is 20. Now this is true length 70, front view, top view. So in this way you can draw front view and top view. Now measure this angle alpha for front view and measure this angle beta for top view. Give name to this line as locus line of point B in front view, and give name to this line as locus line of point B in top view.